Hey guys, welcome to Texas Kaiju Fishing. So today we're unboxing the mystery tackle box. If you watched the last unboxing, they sent an ice fishing box, and I posted the video same day. Catchco commented on the video and gave me information to get in contact with their customer service, and they got me a replacement box, the one that I was supposed to get. So let's pop it open and see what's inside. It's pretty cool that they check their social media. Right. MTB sticker. And the book that were in the last one. So, right off the top, Yum Money Minnow $9.59. Yum Money Minnow. Ooh, these are sweet. Right there, Yum Money Minnow. Let me pull one out. This is a paddle tail swim bait. Yum is an American brand. They're usually the budget-friendly one you can get at Walmart. Package is anywhere from $1.50 to $2.50. Really oily. Look at that. It's pretty cool. It's a big old bait. Super oily. Pearl black on black. Yum Money Minnow $9.59. Next one is Carl's Amazing Baits, the Golden Boy. Crankbait, dives 3 to 5 feet. That's awesome. That's the kind I throw here on my bank. Oh, I should have opened the Yum last. All my fingers are greasy now. Get it open. So this is their brand. Crankbait, Carl's Amazing Baits by Catchco. Pretty solid knocker. Look at that color. The color is Moonlight Shad. It's a pretty awesome color right there. Really sticky baits. Really sticky hooks, I mean. Yeah. Alright. Next one is the Booyah Walnut. Ooh, I like these. Lipless crankbait. I bought these on clearance last, was it last January? Bought 2 of them. Guess what happened to them? Snag. Caught fish with them though. Let me get this open. The Booyah one knocker, ½ ounce. So it's a lipless crankbait. Booyah makes this one, and there's the other one I had purchased was it's got multiple beads inside of it, and this one should only have one. Yeah, the other one's got multiple. Oh, sticky hooks. I like Booyah products. You can see it's a little translucent. I don't know if y'all can tell. Typical crankbait, lipless crankbait, real loud. Ooh, Strike King. Strike King Rage Tail, Twin Tail Menace Grub. So I really like swimming grubs here. They work. Put them on a jig head. And then these usually have a lot of action. They're coffee scented. Smell great. Right there. Coffee scented Strike King Rage Tail. Z-Man. No way. If y'all have never used Z-Man, it has that elastic plastic. Indestructible. Look at that. Look how stretchy that is. It's sort of a swim bait with a curly toe instead of a paddle toe. Look at that. If you go around Instagram enough, you'll see the images when they catch a fish, and it'll catch like on a dorsal fin from the hook in their mouth, and it'll stretch all the way without breaking. Usually the way I lose these baits is not that they break off, is the fish takes it and it gets lost in the water. Or snag. Hard hat jigs, lumberjack flipping jig. It's a flipping jig, 3/8 ounce. It's what color is this? Texas Craw color. Not bad. I've been trying to work on my jig game. I haven't caught many fish on these types of style jigs. Always just get them stuck in the rocks. I know flipping jigs are not meant for rocks. You're supposed to pitch them into mats and bushes and grass. I don't have much of that on my bank. Should be getting that kayak in next week though, and probably start pitching. Real cool. Good color. The last one is Carl's Amazing Baits Gator Hog. $2.99. Creature bait. Let me pull one out. This is different. Kind of like a half. I don't know if y'all fished the Reaction Innovations Man Bear Pig, but they got the same setup at the bottom, but the Man Bear Pig also has appendages on the side at the top. And it's a rigid, it's a little more solid material than this. It's pretty soft. It's good. I prefer the soft ones. You get more action out of the soft plastics. Pretty good scent. Sweet. So there you have it, Mystery Tackle Box. Great customer service. They, within the same day, they commented on my video. They told me how to get in touch, in contact with their customer service, and they replaced my box with free of charge. So that's pretty awesome. You should take that into consideration. I know over the summer, Lucky Tackle Box, something was going on with their company, and I couldn't get a hold of anyone for about 4 months. And during that time, they weren't sending boxes out at all. So there was a solid window that I wasn't getting a box, but I'd already prepaid for it. And as someone who's trying to either get money back or get the product that they paid for, it pisses you off. But great job, Mystery Tackle Box. Again, I'm gonna have this Lucky Tackle Box, Monster Bass Box, and the 6 Cents box. I'm gonna have them so you get a good honest review for 2 more months, and then that way y'all can make a choice of which one y'all want to subscribe to. So far on my personal list, it's kind of hard. Mystery Tackle Box, as you can tell, variety also. Their Catch Co crankbaits are pretty solid. Monster Bass Box, same thing. They get a lot of variety. It's a good beginner box. It's just like it's depending on your pocketbook. can you afford a Monster Bass box, which is like 35 bucks, versus a mystery tackle box that'll run you about $28. On mystery tackle box, you do get sample packs, you know, less than 5 plastics. Whereas in the Monster Bass box, you get the full package of 6 or more. But all in all, they're both great boxes. I can't wait to fish with the stuff they sent me. I've already been trying to fish with that spinnerbait that came in Monster Bass box this month and trying to catch something on it. But again, thank you, Mystery Tackle Box. I appreciate it. Thanks for commenting on my video and pointing me in the right direction to get my box replaced. Until next time, y'all subscribe to the channel, like the video. Y'all take it easy. Thanks for watching Texas Kaiju Fishing.